Hello everyone, this is Chris Presents. It's Tuesday, December 29th, 2020, and the time is like 5:30 p.m. and I'm on Michigan Avenue in downtown Chicago. We're just gonna do a walking video in the snow. We're in the middle of a snowstorm, so we're gonna start the video right now. Here we go. I'm just walking down on Michigan Avenue. As you can see, it's snowing. It's snowing real hard. This is Michigan and Chestnut. And we're just walking down on Michigan Avenue. It looks real nice, the snow with the lights on the trees. We just started a few minutes ago and it's coming down right now. This is Chicago and Pearson. In the middle of a snowstorm in downtown Chicago. Water tower. And we're just gonna go this way. A lot of snow coming down. As you can see, well, it looks beautiful with the lights, the holiday lights, Christmas lights they have. So we're on Michigan and Chicago Avenue right now. A lot of snow coming down. Temperature is about 32 degrees, right on the freezing mark, 0 degrees Celsius, and it's snowing. So it's not really cold. A lot of snow coming down. We're in downtown Chicago. As you can see, a lot of traffic. The roads are pretty good so far. And this is the beautiful lights, holiday lights on the trees with the snow. It looks really, really beautiful. I'll show you a little bit more on this side. A lot of snow coming down. We're in downtown Chicago on Michigan Avenue. And this is Superior, and we'll just go down on Superior Street. Show you a little bit more over here. Lots of traffic. Lots of snow. I'm just gonna stay on the sidewalk. So we're on Superior Street now. This is the Streeterville neighborhood, by the way, right in the middle of downtown Chicago. This is Gino's East Pizzeria, very, very well-known pizzeria right there. And now we're in the hospital area now. You can see Children's Hospital is on the left. I'll show you just a minute. And then you have Northwestern Memorial Hospital on the right. And we're just walking on Superior Street. We came from Michigan Avenue, and now we're just walking down on Superior Street. As you can see, the snow is really, really, really coming down. And it looks beautiful with the lights and everything, and it's nighttime already. And that's Children's Lurie Hospital right here on the left. One of the best children's hospitals in the country. And then you got Northwestern Memorial Hospital on the right, and then right next to Children's, this is Children's right here. Right next to Children's there is the women's, Northwestern Women's Hospital. It's called Prentice Hospital. So this is the hospital area, but it still looks beautiful. You can see the lights on the trees and the snow on the ground. It looks real, real nice. And we just want to walk down on Superior Street. And this is the Prentice Hospital here on the left. And then right over here we have next intersection is Fairbanks and Superior. We're gonna make a left going north, and this is also the Northwestern Medical Center campus. You can see over there the Northwestern Medical School building. It's called the Feinberg School of Medicine. There's a lot of snow coming down. If you like my videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's a global YouTube channel. I film all over the world. And then my subscribers come from all over the world as well. So we're on Fairbanks now. And the next intersection where the light is going to be Chicago Avenue. Chicago Avenue. And this is Fairbanks here. Just want to show you how beautiful this area is. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but the John Hancock Center, about 110 stories, is right over there. I don't know if you can see it in the video. Right next to that one. It's probably right behind that one. So we're on Fairbanks now, and then we're crossing the street on, we reach Chicago Avenue. Another very busy street or avenue. As you can see, snow is really coming down right now. We just crossed the street in just a second. This is the Streeterville area neighborhood. Trying to cross the street. Alright, it's green, and then this is the Lakeshore Park right here. You can see the snow. It looks really real pretty. This is Lakeshore Park. Beautiful scenery. Very windy. Hopefully the audio in the video is not bad. And then we're going to reach now Pearson Street. This is Pearson Street. And then we're gonna go north on Pearson Street. Show you the neighborhood here. Actually, I'm gonna give you a really good shot of Pearson Street. Here we go. This is a residential area with high rises. Same thing over here. We're going north now on Pearson Street. You can see the snow is really coming down. Real beautiful scenery. We'll probably make this a 15-minute video. Again, this is Chris Crescents. I'm in downtown Chicago. Right now I'm in the Streeterville neighborhood. We started from Michigan Avenue, and we're going to end the video on Chestnut Street, Streeterville neighborhood, Chestnut and Pearson. And if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you everybody for watching. This is Chris Crescents. It's Tuesday, December 29, 2020. And it's a little bit after 5:30.